Professor, what is a scale used in questionnaire design?
Elma, today, let's explore the concept of a scale that Elma is wondering about. When designing a questionnaire for marketing research, utilizing the concept of scale can maximize the effectiveness of the survey. A scale refers to a tool used to measure or classify something, such as length, weight, likes, dislikes, and so on. For example, in a survey presenting a 5-point or 7-point scale as a response to the question, "How satisfied are you with your university life?" with options ranging from 1 to 5, very dissatisfied, dissatisfied, neutral, satisfied, very satisfied, is called a scale. There are 4 types of scales: nominal scale, ordinal scale, interval scale, and ratio scale. A nominal scale is used to identify the categories to which respondents' characteristics belong, such as gender, place of birth, alma mater, religion, occupation, etc. Nominal scales are commonly used at the beginning of a questionnaire because they help determine respondents' attributes and classify them. For example, questions like "What is your gender?" "Where is your hometown?" and "Which school did you graduate from?" fall under the category of a nominal scale. An ordinal scale is used to measure the rankings of response contents, such as educational attainment, income level, preference, satisfaction, etc. It is used to determine the relative positions or levels of items. For example, the question "Which category does your educational attainment fall into?" belongs to an ordinal scale. This is because it measures the ranking of respondents' educational levels. It is important to note the difference between a nominal scale and an ordinal scale. For example, the question "Which school did you graduate from?" is different from the question "Which category does your educational attainment fall into among high school degree, bachelor's degree, master's degree, or doctorate?" The former falls under the nominal scale, while the latter falls under the ordinal scale. In marketing terminology, nominal scale is used simply to classify respondents' attributes, while ordinal scale is used to determine rankings. Therefore, ordinal scale is more useful when analyzing survey content, such as the higher the educational level, the better, the worse, or the more, etc. Interval scale is a scale that not only measures categories and rankings of respondents, but also allows for comparisons between measurement outcomes. Interval scales are often used in commercial marketing research, particularly for assessing preferences or awareness of products. For example, to the question "Are you satisfied with the iPhone 14 Pro?" the responses of very dissatisfied, dissatisfied, neutral, satisfied, and very satisfied are the interval scale. The respondents' answers can be ranked, and the intervals between measurement results can be compared, making it a more useful scale than ordinal scale. Interval scale allows for relative comparisons, such as temperature, stock market indices, brand preferences, and other similar measures. Ratio scale, on the other hand, not only measures categories and rankings of respondents, but also allows for the identification of intervals and multiples in measurement outcomes. For example, in a survey question like "What is your weight in kilograms?" the respondents' weights can be identified as multiples. Ratio scale is highly useful as it allows for numerical representation of measures like weight, height, distance, unemployment rate, voter turnout, television ratings, and others. The 4 types of scales, nominal scale, ordinal scale, interval scale, and ratio scale, are classified to make survey results more useful. For example, when conducting a survey, you need a nominal scale because you first need to figure out what kind of person the survey respondents are and what attributes they have, which requires the use of nominal scale. Additionally, including ordinal scale is beneficial when comparing respondents' educational levels or income levels, as it allows for more useful analysis of survey results. Furthermore, including interval scale and ratio scale is important for statistical analysis of survey content, as it enables the identification of trends and future patterns. It is crucial to understand the difference between interval scale and ratio scale. The most significant difference lies in the concept of an absolute zero point. Let's consider an example. In temperature measurement, we cannot say that 20 degrees Celsius is twice as hot as 10 degrees Celsius. However, in weight measurement, we can say that 60 kilograms is twice as heavy as 30 kilograms. The reason for this difference is that in temperature measurement, 0 degrees Celsius is an absolute zero point. In other words, 0 degrees Celsius does not represent the absence of temperature, since there are negative temperatures like -10 degrees Celsius. Therefore, we cannot say that 20 degrees Celsius is twice as hot as 10 degrees Celsius. However, in weight measurement, 0 kilograms is an absolute zero point. This is because there is no weight below 0 kilograms, so 0 kilograms represents the absence of weight. Hence, we can say that 60 kilograms is twice as heavy as 30 kilograms. The concept of an absolute zero point refers to a state where nothing exists. In this sense, we consider 0 kilograms as an absolute zero point, and 0 degrees Celsius as an arbitrary zero point. Interval scale does not have an absolute zero point, so we cannot determine multiples. However, ratio scale has an absolute zero point, allowing us to measure multiples. This distinction between ratio scale and interval scale is based on the presence or absence of a substantive zero point. Therefore, ratio scale enables mathematical operations, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division because it is based on a true zero point. If a survey includes a significant number of ratio scale questions, it allows for various statistical analyses, making the survey content highly useful.
Yes, I understand. Professor, your explanation of the types of scales today has been extremely helpful. Thank you very much.